One of the number one things that I've been doing lately, which has been helping me out a lot, is reading my goals every single morning. The things that are most important to me. And the reason why this has been helping me is because it's allowing me to focus on the things that I want to accomplish every single day. It's almost like a daily reminder. I feel like a lot of people, at least myself, I get off track with my goals because I get caught up doing so many different things in my life, whether that's focusing on my health or a relationship or traveling. You get caught up in life and you forget about the things that you really care most about and the things that you really want to accomplish, right? We have so many things going on. So by reading your goals every single morning, it just helps you to remember and really, instill in yourself what I'm going after, what I'm focusing on. And that reminder in the morning really sparks something. And you can take that and you could start taking action on that every single day. I was thinking about all the different goals that I've set over the last couple of years. And sometimes, for one reason or another, you just forget about a goal or you get caught up doing something else or you get sidetracked. And then a week goes by and maybe you stop reading books, and then 2 weeks goes by, you stop taking action, and then a month goes by and you completely forget about what it is you wanted to go after. So you've got to consistently stay conscious of what you want to achieve. And by reading your goals every single morning, again, it just helps to remind you. It helps to keep it instilled in your brain. And what you say to yourself on a regular basis, what you talk about, what you think about, what you repeat, your brain will start to filter through life and keep an eye open for those things that you're looking to go after. Like, for example, if you keep reading to yourself, I'm going to buy my first real estate property, or I'm going to start my first eBay business. You say it to yourself every morning and you've got your goal written and you're repeating it to yourself. You'll start to meet people. You'll start to see things. You'll start to attract things into your life because your brain is always looking to accomplish a goal, but you've got to consistently remind yourself. So one of the things that I do is I've got this little spiral bound note card thing. There's like 50 note cards on it. And I write down a bunch of goals and affirmations inside of it. And every morning when I wake up, and I haven't been perfect with this, I've actually started doing it again recently because I've been getting serious again with some of my goals. And you just repeat it. You read it every single morning. You go through it. It only takes 5 or 7 minutes. Read it with passion. Get some emotion into it. And maybe for example, I'll read a goal. I'm now earning $40,000 a month by December 31st, 2019 or sooner. And then after I read that goal, I'll say to myself maybe a couple of actions. I'm going to list 10 items today. I'm going to, I'm going to source these items, or, I'm going to create these videos, or I'm going to create this Facebook marketing campaign for my Shopify store. And again, you're just training your brain to go after that goal. That's the target. That's what I'm going after. So you need to consciously think about on a regular basis what you want to go after in life, or else you're going to get sidetracked and different things are going to pull you away. And a week, 2 weeks, a month, 3 months is going to go by and you're going to say to yourself, why am I still the same body weight? Why is my income still at the same place it was 6 months ago when I had a goal of hitting 40, but now it's only at 20 or whatever, right? Whatever it is for you. It's because you're not keeping your eye on the prize, and you've got to consistently remind yourself. That's what it is for me, at least. That's how it works. So hopefully this brought some value to you. I'd be curious, how many of you folks read your goals on a regular basis? How many of you guys, have like note cards or something written out? Or do you just mentally think about it when you're driving or something? I'd be curious, but let me know down below. Just want to share some insights with you. But that being said, have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.